What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to resolve the display brightness issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on smoothness. Now here you will see a adaptive brightness button. So if you have turned on adaptive brightness, then tap on this button to turn it off. And after turning off adaptive brightness, your mobile screen brightness issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the problem, then try adjusting motion smoothness. So for that, open settings again, scroll down and click on display. Now in display, scroll down and click on motion smoothness. Now from here, select, if you have selected adaptive motion smoothness, then from here select standard and then tap on apply. It will help you to resolve the display brightness issue. But after doing this, if you are still facing the problem, then check if the problem is with a particular app or with the phone. So if the problem is with the app, then try reinstalling the app. So just simply press and hold on the app and then tap on uninstall, and then after uninstalling, reinstall the app. And after reinstalling, if you are still facing the problem, then the last solution is open settings again. Now scroll down to the end and click on general management. Now in general management, click on, scroll down and click on reset, and then scroll down to the end and click on factory data reset. Now once again scroll down to the end and here click on this reset option. So when you will tap on reset option here, it will reset your phone back to factory default and it will delete everything from your mobile. So if you are sure, then tap on reset, and after resetting the factory data, it will fix your screen brightness issue. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.